Hello students, welcome to Sairam English classes. Today we will read chapter 3 of class 10th, two stories about flying. In this story, as we can see, there are two parts on the screen. First one is his first flight and the second one is Black Aeroplane. First flight is written by Liam O'Flaherty and the Black Aeroplane is written by Frederick Fawcett. But in this video, today we will discuss only the first part, his first flight, written by Liam O'Flaherty. Before starting the chapter, I will tell you about something about the writer. Liam O'Flaherty. He was born in 1896 to 19 and died in 1984. He was a significant Irish novelist and short story writer and a major figure in the Irish literary renaissance. His most famous books include The Informer, Return of the Brute, House of Gold, etc. His first flight, a short story which symbolizes the nervousness one experience before doing something new, is regarded as one of the most famous works. Now we will start with difficult word. First one is ledge, a narrow horizontal shelf protecting from a wall or a cliff. This look like a cliff means a hill. It is a hill and from that hill a piece of rock is coming outside like a shelf. तो that is called ledge. ये एक हिल की तरह सपोज एक हिल है और हिल में से एक पार्ट निकला हुआ है शेल्फ की तरह, पीस ऑफ रॉक निकला हुआ है, दैट इज कॉल्ड लेज. अपब्रेडिंग, स्कॉल्डिंग. हेरिंग, a soft fine sea fish. It is a variety of fish. Preening, making an effort to maintain feathers. Derisively, in a manner showing someone that he or she is stupid. एक तरह से ऐसा बिहेवियर दिखाना कि I am not mentally stable. And the next one is dizzy, an uncomfortable feeling of spinning around and losing one's balance. जैसे चक्कर आते ना तो दैट फीलिंग इज कॉल्ड डिजीनेस. कर्वेटिंग, leaping like a horse. Wet, to sharpen. This word is mostly used to sharpen the beak of the birds. Banking, flying with one wing higher than the other. Now we will discuss the introduction. Now I will tell you about the introduction of the chapter. His first flight. It is a story of hesitation, trial, and error, and finally getting success in the end. It is an interesting story of a hesitant and timid seagull, how he learns the art of flying. We can say that it is a true parable about overcoming fears in our life. As we all know, every journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. But that single step is the most difficult one to make. Now we will read the story. His first flight is an interesting story of a young seagull who was afraid of flying. He did not have confidence. He thought that his wings were not strong enough to support him. Somewhere he has a feeling if he will fly, his wings will not support him in that activity. All the family members had already left him. They tried to encourage him to fly but failed. All the family members have done the efforts. They have done a lot to make him learn to fly, but they all failed. That's why they had left him alone on that same ledge. Now there was a wide chasm. Chasm means a wide difference. In Hindi we can say खाई, जैसे बहुत ज़्यादा खाई होती है. It can be a difference of thoughts, feeling और किसी भी चीज़ का डिफरेंस हो सकता है बिटवीन हिम एंड हिज पेरेंट्स. तो यहाँ पर एक जो डिफरेंस था वो सी का डिफरेंस था यहाँ पर. He tried to reach his parents and took a little run also, but the sight of the widespread green sea frightened him, and he ran back into his nest. His brother and sister had already learned the art of flight. Although to reach his parents, he uh, gathered some efforts and tried to make a little run. But as he saw downside, as he saw the at the at the sea, he got frightened and he ran back to his nest. His brother and sister. His sister was younger than it, but it had also learned the art of flight. But the young seagull could not muster the courage to take that plunge, which appeared to him so difficult. But the young seagull, he was not mustered, he was not able to collect that courage to take to fly, and it was very difficult for him. His parents came around calling to him, shrilly upbraiding him, threatening to let him starve, but the young seagull did not move. And his parents, already they have made so many efforts, now they were came around him, they were calling him, they were scolding him, they were taunting him that if you will not fly from that ledge, you will starve here. And but he did not move from there. He was alone for 24 hours and ate nothing. He was hungry. He wanted to reach his parents, who were sitting opposite to him, but without flying, there was a wide gap between the two rocks. There was no possibility of reaching there without flying. He saw his brother and sister who were flying and catching the fish. They taunted him for his cowardliness. Here the spelling is wrong. He wanted to follow them, but the fear stopped him. Now he was feeling very hungry. He was there alone, and somehow he wanted to reach his parents, but without flying. He didn't fly, but he wanted to reach his parents. And there was no possibility of reaching without flying. If he will not fly, he would not be able to reach there. He saw his brother and sister. They were already taken a flight, and now they were catching the fish. They were taking their meal. They all were taunting him for his cowardliness. वो उसे बहुत ज़्यादा टॉन्ट कर रहे थे कि यू आर वेरी कावर्ड, यू आर नॉट मेकिंग एनी एफर्ट, एंड ही वॉन्टेड टू फॉलो दैम, ही वॉन्टेड टू डू लाइक दैम. जैसा वो कर रहे थे वैसा करना चाहता था, बट द फियर स्टॉप्ड हिम. बट ही वॉज वेरी एफ्रेड टू डू दैट. He was extremely hungry. He saw his family taking rest on the rock opposite to him. He tried to attract the attention by pretending to be sleeping. He knew that his family is also having a care about him, so he was just trying to show them that he is sleeping there without any problem. And in this way he wanted to take the attention from them, but nobody noticed him. लेकिन किसी भी ने भी notice नहीं किया. His mother was looking at him, क्योंकि माँ का दिल तो माँ का होता है, तो सेम ही वॉज अ फीलिंग, और शी वॉज लुकिंग एट हिम. द यंग सीगल क्राइड, begging her to bring him some food. Now he had made request to his mother that, mother, please give me some food from there, but she did not respond. After some time, his mother picked up a piece of fish and flew across him. Now he was feeling that, oh, my mother will come to me and now I'll get the food there. He was so excited on seeing his mother picking up a piece of fish and flying across him. He was excited on seeing his mother coming towards, because he was hungry, and now he was having a feeling that his mother will come there and she will provide him some food. Now we'll see what will happen there. Just a minute. Just a minute. He leaned out eagerly tapping the rock with his feet. Now he was tapping the rock. He was making a sound on the rock with his feet. But when she was just opposite to him, she halted. और जैसे ही उसके सामने आई, she halted. चली गई वहाँ से. The young seagull was surprised. What happened to my mother? Why she has gone from here? The sight of fish in her with her beak maddened him. And as she was having a fish in her beak, that sight maddened him. क्योंकि एक तो वो भूखा था और जैसे उसने फूड देखा अपनी मदर के हाथ में, तो नाउ द साइट वॉज मेडन हिम. पागल हो गया था वो देख करके उसको. ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल हिमसेल्फ एंड डाइव्ड एट द फिश. द मदर फ्लू ओवर हिम एंड देन जो उसकी मदर थी, शी वॉज फ्लू ओवर हिम, उसके ऊपर से उड़ के चली गई. ही फेल डाउनवर्ड्स विद अ लाउड स्क्रीम. Now he was not having any hope, but his wings opened up automatically. He cried, and to save himself, he flapped his wings. Now he feels as if he was soaring in the sky. He was not falling headlong now. He flapped his wings again and soared upwards. Now he have to save. तो अचानक से क्या हुआ? हिज विंग्स ओपनड अप, उसके विंग्स खुल गए ऑटोमेटिकली. एंड ही क्राइड एंड टू सेव हिमसेल्फ. अब उसे बचाना था अपने आप को. ही फ्लैप्ड हिज विंग्स, उसने अपने विंग्स को फ्लैप किया और नाउ ही स्टार्टेड फॉर फ्लाई. ही वॉज नॉट फॉलिंग हेडलॉन्ग नाउ. अब उसे चक्कर जैसा फीलिंग अब कुछ नहीं लग रहा था उसे, अजीब सा इस तरह का. ही फ्लैप्ड हिज विंग्स वंस अगेन एंड सोड अप. और धीरे धीरे उसने ऊपर की तरफ उड़ान भरनी शुरू कर दी. He gave a joyous scream now. बहुत अब now he was screaming happily. बहुत खुशी से नाच रहा था, बहुत खुशी से गा रहा था. He was joined by his family in his first flight. And as he took his first flight, his family also joined him. He was near the sea now. He saw a vast green sea beneath him. बहुत बड़ा सा sea उसको नीचे दिखाई दे रहा था. His parents and other family members landed on the sea. वो सब नीचे उतर गए सी के पास, सी पर. They called the young seagull also. He dropped his legs to stand on the sea. And he tried to stand on the sea. As he dropped his legs sank into it. और जैसे ही उसने उसमें डाली, his legs sank, डूब गई. He screamed with fright. डरने लगा वो. And attempt to rise. And at once he tried to stand from there. But he was too weak and exhausted to rise. लेकिन वो बहुत थक चुका था, बहुत exhausted फील कर रहा था. His feet sank into the sea water and then his body touched it. और वो जैसे ही उस पानी में डूबे पाँव उसके और उसकी बॉडी ने टच किया वाटर को, he sank no further. अब वो और ज़्यादा नहीं डूब रहा था. Now he was floating happily. खुशी से फ्लोट कर रहा था there. His family praised him for his efforts and offered him scrap dogfish. Now they were doing a party there and offering him scrapped him. उसको डॉग फिश के पीसेस उसको एज अ प्रेजेंट दे रहे थे. ही हैड मेड हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट सक्सेसफुली. और उसने अपनी फर्स्ट फ्लाइट जो है सक्सेसफुली ले ली थी. देन चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट डू यू गेट, विच मॉरल डू यू गेट फ्रॉम द स्टोरी? कॉन्क्वेर द फियर एंड वेंचर फोर्थ. अपने डर को हराना है, उस पर जीत हासिल करनी है एंड वेंचर फोर्थ, आगे बढ़ना है साहस के साथ. एंड वी रियलाइज दैट वी वर बॉर्न विद विंग्स. उसके बाद हमें रियलाइज़ होगा कि हमारे पास तो विंग्स ऑलरेडी हैं. हम जहाँ मर्जी जिस फील्ड में जाएं, हम उस फील्ड में आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. आई होप यू ऑल एंजॉय द लेसन एंड इफ़ यू एंजॉय, प्लीज़ like and subscribe for the channel. Thank you.